My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Lilmoon. Lilmoon is a special ransomware that may essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Of course, to avoid such bad things to happen, it's a good idea that you store your files on some cloud services that are always protected. But many people store a lot of their information on hard drives, and this ransomware called Lilmoon may essentially damage the data that users store on their computers. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open our files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Lilmoon ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they just cannot access their files anymore. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Lilmoon extension. The same applies to all other files. They are no longer available. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But definitely paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery, so don't waste the money. By the way, this is the ransom note. Anyway, we recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers may also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, then click on Start Scan button and begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. The program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This anti-ransomware feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your data from being damaged in the future. And also, of course, it will help you to actually remove this ransomware, to detect this Lilmoon ransomware and to remove it effectively from your computer. So simply wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. And then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Of course, based on the summary of threats, some items can be removed manually, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.